it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi guys, good morning, good morning. It is early morning and I had to just moisturize my lips because it's very cold outside. We have so much snow outside, it's not even funny. But this kind of weather dries up the lips easily. So I am moisturizing my lips. Let me show you with my favorite lip balm. It lasts forever, but if you notice in one of my videos, I'll put it in the link below. I think it's my Christmas cheer video from last year. I showed you, I talked about this lip balm. It is my favorite and it's going to be in one of my favorite products in 2020 video. So look out for that. This lip balm, if you can find it this season, get it and keep it, because after the Christmas season it goes away, I think. So this one is peppermint and it keeps the lips moisturized, intensely moisturized. So I'm glad I was able to get it, and it lasts a long time. A little goes a long way. But anyway, enough about that, guys. Good morning. It is Saturday early morning, and this is going to be a little different, more like a vlog / get ready with me. First things first, I'm here. I need to clean the kitchen and then make some warm banana bread. You know, it's Christmas season. I like the kitchen to smell like a pastry shop. So I'm going to be making some warm banana bread. So while that is cooking or baking, I'll go get ready for an appointment I have today, and just, you know, take you along with me to the various activities I'll be doing today. Okay guys, sound great? Okay, awesome. So if you are just visiting for the first time, welcome. This is a food and lifestyle channel and I am Sarah. Thanks for stopping by. Do consider subscribing. Click that subscribe button now before we jump right into this video. And returning subscribers, you know I love you. Mwah. Okay guys, let's get started. From the freezer, guys, my banana is soggy and unripe. I mean, I'm very ripe, overripe. In fact, I put it in the freezer and it turned black, but it's still useful for baking. can also use just regular ripe bananas. but this is what I'm using. I think I'll just squeeze it out because it's very soft. Okay, let's toss this. Smash, smash, smash. Okay, now that we have that going, I have my melted butter cooling down here. What we're going to add is sweet condensed milk. Melted butter. One and a half cups of flour. And just like that, guys, it is done. Check out our banana bread. Okay, there it is. Okay, guys, it is done. Guys, it is done. Look at this banana bread. Very easy and simple to make. So, we're going to have a taste. I hope you can see it, guys. Let me just cut a little piece here. Guys, it's not dense at all. It is moist, not too sweet, because we only use the sweetened condensed milk, no added sugar, just the sugar from sweetened condensed milk. And it's it is moist, not dry at all, buttery. You can get the smell of vanilla, and then you have the raisins. Oh man, not too sweet at all. That was my goal. But it has that buttery vanilla essence, you know, taste and smell, and it's moist, guys. Moist, and it's, you know, it's not dense at all. It's nice and warm. So guys, join me. It's easy to make. It took me like literally 15 minutes to put it together, to make the batter and everything, to put in the oven. Just 15 minutes. And it took about another 30 minutes to bake. Guys, it is pretty good. So I'm gonna let it cool, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a vlog, get ready with me. I'll be shooting clips of different parts of my video. I canceled my appointment today, so I don't know, maybe the vlog will be cut short, but we'll see. I may post the banana bread video first and then the vlog later, but banana bread is so good, guys. It's so good. So if you haven't like I was saying, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share with your family and loved ones. Banana bread is always popular with family, friends, especially this time of the year, Christmas time. So there'll be lots of baking, lots of cooking, lots of and so on. Okay guys, so this is a quick, easy recipe. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.